Downloading data from Etsy can help you manage your shop and analyze your sales. Follow these steps to easily access your data. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access the data you want to download. Step 2. Navigate to Shop Manager. Once logged in, click on Shop Manager located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the dashboard where you can manage your shop settings and data. Step 3. Access the Stats section. In the Shop Manager, find and click on the Stats option from the menu. This section provides insights into your shop's performance and sales data. Step 4. Choose the data to download. Within the Stats section, look for options to download your data. You may find options for sales reports, traffic data, or other relevant information. Select the specific data you wish to download. Step 5. Download the data file. After selecting the data, look for a download button or link. Click it to initiate the download process. The data will typically be saved in a CSV or Excel format, which you can open with spreadsheet software. By following these steps, you can efficiently download your Etsy data for analysis and record keeping.